Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong.
I'm in Taishan, and actually I don't really see, like, YouTubers don't really seem to film too much of the city itself, but this is a giant mall. I'll write it up in there, but we're just kind of giving you an idea of what it looks like. But it looks really cool, and it goes up quite a ways. So we're gonna show you more of Taishan here. Okay, Taishan. So Taishan is, let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and we're gonna show you what the mall looks like in Taishan, Guangdong, China. Is this as if you were there yourself? Yeah, we can't film too much because it's a mall, so, but I'm gonna just kind of film in spots. And so we have lots of different stuff. Here's like trendy drink street, which I guess is straight ahead. That must be all the trendy drinks right there. And that's one of the exits, so we're actually at one of the corners. But there's food stalls. There's 4 stories. And then it kind of, you know, it can move down a ways. So I should put my camera away. And here's some kind of cool things too. Okay. Yeah, so I got to be really careful because I can't just film for 15 minutes like I sometimes do, but this mall is pretty big anyways, so I can't really film like that anyways. With all the donuts, Chinese dessert. Yeah, and that's some of the upstairs. So we are going to, it's a really nice mall. So many food choices here too. Anyways, we're just going to, we're kind of on one of the corners right now, but I think it's like one giant city block almost. And right here, I guess it's like a food street kind of thing. Lemon tea. Yeah, it's huge. I can't even get close to filming all of it. So we'll just kind of film pieces. Let me jump around to another spot of the mall, but this is kind of like the food court area. Not food court, but I guess they call it food street. Kind of a food court, but there could be more. Here's a Mossy barbecue, so it looks like kind of maybe Korean style or a Chinese style, but it has I guess they're barbecuing with fish and anyways, every time I see something kind of cool, I'll stop for a moment and just kind of give you an idea of all the different stuff around here. Little dog. Little dog. Hello. That's cool. Okay, so we're gonna just explore. I thought the dog was so cool I had to film it, but I think the girl felt awkward because, I don't know, maybe she's not supposed to have a dog at the mall? I have no idea. Miniso! Sorry, everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna turn the camera off before somebody tells me to no filming. And I've been walking, there's like little places to chill out here too. And I think this actually goes outside. There's Luckin Coffee, so we're gonna bring the camera outside and see what we can see out here. Got places to sit. I think there's also a big hotel over here called Fairfield, something like that. And there's another one, KFC, Haiti, which is pretty popular. So it's nighttime. It's a Tuesday night, by the way. And I guess I'm gonna go in here, but security probably won't want me to have the camera, so I'm gonna just turn it off once I get back in again. But yeah, it looks really cool. KFC. Turn off the camera. Looks huge. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. I think he was looking at me earlier. I don't think not a lot of foreigners around here, and I hardly saw any. So I think people say hello and kind of curious. There's some kitchens up there, Ferrando Air Kitchen. Let's walk down a little bit more. Yeah, kind of nice. Got all these levels. You can look down. It's like also like maybe some kind of sky thing or something like that. Maybe it'll let in some natural light, or they can move that a little bit. But anyways, getting an idea of what the mall looks like. There's even a 7-Eleven over there too. Convenience store stuff mixed in with mall stuff. So, right over there. And there's even a Burger King here too. So yeah, that's another angle. I'll probably turn off the camera, but anyways, kind of get an idea of how big the mall is. So I think we started maybe down that way a little bit. Now you can see how big that is. Another exit over there, and then that goes all the way down to the food court area. So it seems more kind of like triangular. But anyways, we're gonna end our video. So that's Taishan Mall. I'll label it accordingly down below. Actually, now I'm up on the 4th floor. Up here is a giant food court. So there's like food everywhere here. And we were just way down there, so we were at the ground floor. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up here is all the. It smells great up here. There's all kinds of food options up here. So yeah, gogia looks like kind of barbecue, Korean barbecue. Asi, Daichi. That looks amazing. Prices. Kinds of good stuff. Anyways, this is a whole other area. So we'll end it up here, I guess. There's tons of food choices. You can see people sitting all around the sides. You can see down below, 4 stories. More food choices. So this is the 4th. I won't film the, but you can just, the general idea is that it's pretty big. It's a nice mall here in Taishan. Really, really big and nice. And I guess that's the ceiling, what those look like. Pretty cool.